Okay, we're going to get another dirt road, double bridges. Thursday, the 12th of January, 2023. About 70 degrees. And I think this is going to bring us out over on Salem Road, I think. Again, this should be Greene County. I don't think we will have gotten to Madison County yet. Yeah, we haven't got any dirt roads lately, so this will be good. We'll have a couple of dirt roads. Coming in to the right down here that'll take us back out. If we go that way, would take us back out to Salem, I think, further in, closer to Farmington. But I don't know these roads well enough to say that definitively. That's just what I'm thinking. And there's a nice marsh down here. That's Landrum Road. And I don't know what creek this would be either. I don't think it's nowhere near big enough to be the Appalachian River. Wildlife management area sign back there. Pleasant winter day. Overcast, but it's real nice. Saying maybe possible severe storms, but that'd be all right too. If we turn right, we should be headed back towards Farmington. If we turn left, we would be heading towards 278. Let's head towards Farmington, I guess. Well, you have a shotgun blast to the sign. Okay, this may be another wildlife management area. Now this may take us down to the Appalachia River. Yep. And an old iron bridge that crosses the river down here. Yeah, Trembling Bridge Rifle Range. It's temporarily closed. That's Wildlife Management Area Rifle Range. And this is Tribble Bridge. This will dead end into the Appalachia River. New home under construction right there to the left. Some of these dirt roads, you have all kind of stuff going on. I haven't had any bad experiences, but I have had a couple of interesting experiences. I was coming down this road one day and I pulled over to change the battery, and a nice, either a truck or a nice car came by. I can't remember which one came by first. And for some reason I pulled over again, and either the truck or the car came by then. And when I got down to the end where it was dead ended, it was a Sunday morning, I think about 9:30. There was a man and woman down here, both of them in nice cars, and I don't think it was any kind of well, I think it's probably some type of drug exchange. I don't think they were doing anything personal, but they sure did take off about the time I showed up over the hill. But both of them were, I think I remember correctly that both of them were still in the cars, one facing one way and the other facing the other way. And when I showed up, they took off. Now, I have seen some people camping in these national forests that they're probably very nice people, but I don't know that I'd want to camp real close to them. Down here, yeah, they've done some work on the road here, and I'm pretty sure this would be a wildlife management area road. I think we've gotten past where the county maintains it. Back 60 years ago, this is where Georgia dirt roads were. There's some heavier truck tires coming in and out of here. Look like dump truck tires. Yeah, it looks like they're going up through there to where the rifle range is. I think that's where the rifle range is anyway, but it's mucky. We're not going up through there. maybe in the spring after they get finished working on it. This will be a two for one. You get 2 dirt roads for one video.